I believe the problem is epidemic because it's on so many houses.
After a hailstorm, Roy needed a new roof.
Well, I wanted a good-looking roof. I wanted a quality roof.
Quality shingles in the hands of qualified roofers are no match for cheap plastic pipe boots.
You're buying a lifetime roof, 30-year, 40, 50-year roof, and this thing's lasting about 5 years.
A potential weak spot that can cause leaks in your home.
I was not thinking of that.
It starts getting oval and opens up and creates little openings where water starts running down the pipe.
Your roof might have this problem right now. There's an easy way to check by looking at your pipe vents.
If you see that white little collar at the base of that pipe, then you know you have a problem.
Roofers prefer the sturdier lead version.
This product is known as a code lead jack. It's doing the same thing the other product was, it's just a much better product.
Problem is, squirrels prefer the lead ones too.
The squirrels will chew this up and we'll actually see pieces of it all over your roof, and your brand new roof that you just installed could be leaking in less than a year.
I've learned over the years that you get what you pay for, and if you can get a little bit better quality, it's going to perform better normally, and it's going to last longer.
You slip it over the pipe and the pipe will come up through here.
The product that's guaranteed to last as long as your roof.
This is the ultimate pipe boot, and it solves the problem of squirrel damaging on the code lead jacks, and it solves the problem of short lifespan of cheap neoprene boots.
Make sure your roofer isn't cutting costs by cutting corners.
If you're getting your house re-roofed, pay attention to the quality of the products and the details.
Installing a roof that will last with no cut corners. That's what makes Ideal Roofing my certified Home Show Pro. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.